Have your man screaming, "Waya!" Oh, the sun's back just in time. Hi guys! Today I've got something planned. So last year I booked to go on a helicopter for Emmanuel's birthday, but like they just didn't have space, they didn't have slots. They kept emailing us saying, "Oh, don't worry, you know, your time will come, we haven't forgotten about you." And then due to COVID as well now, like there has just not been any time available for us to go. But yeah, last week they like emailed us and messaged us like, "Oh, you know, there's some space available, do you guys want to come?" They were like, "Book your time and slot." And that's what we did, and now we're here. That's actually it going in the background. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm super nervous, like I'm so scared. But yeah, I'm here with Emmanuel because I booked it for his birthday. I don't think you guys can even hear me right now, so I'm just gonna stop.
We need to go check in, man.
We need to go check in. Are you excited?
I'm gonna get up there, bro.
I'm super excited for this experience. Hungry. Like honestly, you're hungry?
Yeah.
We'll eat something after. I'm nervous. I don't know what to think, how to behave, what to do, but
let's get through.
We'll go together, guys. We're gonna enjoy this together. I'll see you guys when we are on the plane, the helicopter, whatever you want to name it. That was a nice experience, guys. That was actually so nice. Like
different still.
It was different. I enjoyed myself. Did you enjoy yourself?
It was lit.
I enjoyed myself. It was worth the wait, to be honest, because what better time to do it than now? Yeah, I actually enjoyed myself.
What we done the thrill? What's it called?
Thrill buzz. Thrill something.
Thrill seeker.
Thrill seeker. Yeah, we done the thrill seeker.
Man, I was doing bad
where he done like so much twist and turn.
My stomach was in the. Fam.
It was actually a good view. Sorry, I'm like licking my lips a lot. Not licking my lip. I'm doing that a lot because we got bubbly and chocolates at the end. So I've been eating a lot of chocolate.
Some Linda.
Yeah, we got Let me show you them.
Lindor. I even pronounced it wrong.
Lindor.
Is it right?
Yeah. But yeah, we got some bubbly and chocolates at the end. It was a nice experience. I enjoyed myself. I had great fun. Guys, literally do things that'll make you happy, and that was one of the things that surely did make me happy. So I had a great time. Now I think we're just gonna get some food.
Where are we trying to go though?
I don't know, we need to look for some food places because I'm hungry. But apart from that, should we go Blue Water? Wing Shack. Wingstop.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit you guys up when we get to the food because right now we can't we can't decide. But yeah, deuces.
Tastes like great.
Guys, we decided to come to Wingstop because I've never had it before, so I'm gonna try it out. But I'm gonna have to go now, eat my food, and hit you guys up when I get home. Guys, that food knocked us out. Like, we are so
It
finished.
knocked me inside out, fam.
I enjoyed it though, because all my lip gloss and lip light is all gone.
Why won't you enjoy? Is it not food?
Yeah, I love food. Like,
Listen, you lot, I can't lie, innit? You can see I'm holding my head, fam, because it's like she just teleport home. Call the helicopter, please, to come.
yeah, let's call the helicopter back to take us home, because we're slumped.
Can you lot hear that? The food is digesting, it's doing krokom. What's funny? I'm being serious.
You're so silly.
People know what I'm talking about. Like, you know when your food is digesting.
You actually, you know, you never speak properly.
Firstly, English is not my first language. So, and it's never my second or my third language.
Oh, here we go. You know what? Keep it to yourself. Keep your languages to yourself.
Sorry, Shakespeare.
But, guys, we're gonna
Deborah Spear.
We're gonna head home now. We enjoyed our day. Manuel!
It's the feed that's making me like this. I don't know what to do.
It's 10
Best
out
way
of
to
10.
enjoy Wing Shack here, you know.
Oh yeah,
Go
Wing Shack was lovely.
with someone that you like, innit? That you can share feed with.
Yeah.
And then order like 5 to 6 different flavors.
Flavors, yeah, that's
just
what
be
we did.
alternating.
We got like loads of different flavors and we just ate and ate and
Look,
ate and
put the
ate
camera
and
here.
ate.
You hear the group.
I'm not going to put the camera by your belly, you know.
Alright.
But deuces everyone, we'll see you in our next vlog. Bye.
God,
Don't
do
forget to
something.
like, comment and subscribe and we'll see you in my next video, period. Bye.